Hi students, problem number 5. The instantaneous magnetic flux linked with the coil is given by phi equal to 5t cube minus 100t plus 300 Weber. The EMF induced in the coil at a time t equal to 2 seconds is to be determined. So this type of question also is expected in competitive exams. Okay, though it seems to be very easy, but quickly the students will choose the wrong answer only. Understand? Now let us check which is the correct answer. Now the induced EMF is given by E is equal to minus of d phi by dt. So this is equal to minus of d by dt. Inside this we have to differentiate the given expression for phi. So this is the flux. So d phi by dt is the rate of change of magnetic flux and it should have a negative sign. Understand that? So this is the Faraday's second law. Now I will substitute here 5t cube. Okay, 5t cube minus 100t plus 300. So this has to be differentiated now. So this is minus of d by dt. So d by dt of 5t cube is 5 into 3t square. Then there is a minus sign. D by dt of 100t is 100 plus d by dt of a constant is 0. Okay. Therefore, now the induced EMF E is equal to minus of 5 into 3t square is 15t square minus 100. Okay, minus 100. So outside there is a negative sign. You have to take it carefully. So by opening the brackets, so this will become minus 15t square plus 100. So this is equal to minus 15 into t square is what? 2 square, because we have to take the time t equal to 2 seconds. So this is 15 into 2 square plus 100. So this is equal to minus 15 into 4 plus 100. This is equal to minus 60 plus 100. This is equal to plus 40. See, it is coming as a positive, is it not? Quickly the children know by Faraday's law it should be negative. So we have stored in our mind that this induced EMF is always negative. It is not like that. Depending upon the given time, it may be positive also. Is it not? By definition, actually by Faraday's law, it is a negative value only. But when you substitute, sometimes it may be positive also. Okay. Therefore, the induced EMF is equal to 40 volt is the correct answer. You check here, minus 40 is not the correct answer. So option B. Okay. So therefore, option B is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.